All right, so in this lesson, we're going to talk about carpeting. This one is pretty straightforward. There's we're gonna use this line item to tear out wet carpet, cut and dispose. Then we're gonna tear out the padding, bag and disposal. Then we're gonna use carpet. Now let's remove the high grade. We're just gonna use standard carpet, and let's go right here. Remove the high grade. So usually with high grade and different grades, it's just a plus sign or a minus sign. So let's take a look real quick. So a standard carpet is just pad. The normal is just pad. The standard, which is a quality below, is going to have a negative sign. And then high grade will have a plus, and premium will have two pluses. So if you were to do an estimate and you put the carpet in and you just want to really change it real quick, you could just hit the plus sign or hit the negative sign, whichever one that you want to use. And that's pretty much, it's usually like that for most of the line items. They usually have plus, minuses, and plus plus. So let's remove that. So there you have it. Is you're going to tear out the carpet, tear out the pads, add the carpet, add the pad. And another thing to take a note of is that you can add waste to it, which is about 15% is what we're calculating here. So waste is just take the floored in times it by 1.15, which is the 15%, and that's how you'll get it. And that's pretty much how you do carpet. Thanks.